Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the correct citation style in the References tab. This ensures consistency throughout. Next, open Manage Sources and add a new entry with type, author, year, and title so Word stores it. Once done, save the source to the master list and position the cursor where the citation belongs. Then use Insert Citation to place that saved source into the text. This immediate action links your writing to the reference manager, so later formatting and bibliography generation stay accurate. Once citations are in place, you handle details that make them correct. You can insert an existing source or add a new one directly from the Insert Citation menu. This is handy for one-off items. After insertion, click the citation and choose Edit Citation to add page numbers or suppress elements like author or year when required. If you have multiple citations, use the dialog to combine or reorder them so the in-text display matches your style rules, which keeps reviewers satisfied and your text clean. You finish by generating the bibliography where needed. Place the cursor at the end and insert a bibliography or works cited from the References tab so Word compiles all cited sources. Once done, make sure to update citations and the bibliography after edits by using Update Citations and Bibliography. This syncs any changed sources. If a reference appears incorrect, open Manage Sources, edit the master entry, and then update the bibliography. This single correction propagates everywhere and solves most reference errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.